Hi guys, this is Isa and I'm back in another video. And sorry for the little bit bad lighting. And today I'll be doing this squishy tag. So kawaii squishy tag. So go to her channel. So please go subscribe to her. I think I have subscribed to her now. So yeah. So let's get on the video. But first, like this video and comment down below. What's your favorite tag? I always say that on my tags. And what's your favorite squishy on your collection if you collect squishies? And yeah, subscribe to my channel so that you'll be part of my strawberry family. And click that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I make a video. So yeah, let's get on the video. So the first question is, squishy you paid under $10? So I didn't like make this, but this is under $5. I only like made you can see $5, $5.99, and yeah. And there's the front, and you can collect pink, orange, and blue. And it is licensed from Bundle Squishy. So there's my YouTube channel. So let's get a squish. And this is a seal packaging, that's why. And this is a Swiss roll, if you even can't tell. This is super slow rising, but you cannot see because of the glare. So this is my squishy that I paid under $5, but I didn't pay this because I made this. So the second question is, squishy you regret buying or making? So I regret making this Pop-Tart or this thing, this heart. I don't know what I regret, but it's super slow rising. I don't only want like the texture of it, I think. So there is the squishy that I regret making or purchasing. So yeah. So the third question is, squishy you wish you have two. So I wish I have double of this one and this one. So yeah. It's a little bit hard to make, but that's okay. So there's the front. And this is same packaging with the other one. You can see. And super like sticky on the packaging. So let's squish it like this. So that's really nice squishy thing. So yeah. So the first question is, squishy you regret taking out of the packaging. So I don't know what I have no like really. So yeah, I think I'll be doing all the bundles because I take this out if you can see that tape like removing out in the packaging. So this is like really hard to put in the packaging because super like yeah, and the tape is so sticky, that's why it's hard to put out. And I like take out on a pack on a video, I think, or the blue one, or out of a video. Oh yeah, yesterday I put it, I get it out. So sorry for that. I have here the packaging, and there's the licensing. And if you can see, you cannot see the squishiness because of the glare. The fifth question is, squishy you decode but didn't turn out. So this is a Pop-Tart, and these have no face and sprinkles. Or it have sprinkles but it have no face. And I color it pink, that's why it's ugly. And it's super dense. So I wish I didn't deco this or put in a face and color the pink part. So sixth question is favorite squishy store or website. So even though I didn't try to purchase on real website on online, I know that Silly Squishies and Amazon is nice nice website, and Squish Silly Squishy, Amazon, and Sookawii, I think have what you call that, store envy. So yeah, and that's my favorite squishy store. So yeah. So the seventh question is reproduce squishy or non-reproduced squishy. So I'll be picking my non-reproduced squishy because that's my favorite. That's more squishier. So yeah. So the last question is squishy you think would look best with the tag. So I do pink peach. Here's the back. So that is the squishy I want to have like a tag that it look best with the tag. So yeah. So hope you like this video and click the thumbs up if you like this video. And I have a new choker if you can see. So I think I'll be using this on my video. So yeah. So bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below all the things I said that you comment on the like the opening of this video. So yeah. Bye guys. See you on my next video.